Good afternoon, traders. It's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Monday, October 19th, 2020. Let's take a look at the SPY here. And the market sold off with news again that we don't have a stimulus. Um, I believe it's just noise in the market. Easily tomorrow morning we wake up and the futures will be up a couple of percentage points. So you just have to take whatever the market gives you. We're still uptrending uh, in the market. Let's take a look at a 2 year. We're still uptrending right above this SMA here, and we're still on the upside. So some people look at this as to buy in into the market where we can just buy in and after election to see what happens. It's a put day. The market was initially higher in the morning, and then eventually sold off with news that we didn't have any stimulus. Just taking a look at the options here. Yes, no really big movers here. Aside from in the market, let's take a look at IBM after hours. They're supposed to be reporting, and anybody who bought any kind of straddles, and that's when you buy calls and puts at a certain price distance, and you think that the market is either going to drop or go above. And usually, what you look at is this 5 points here. And what I'll do is I'll buy 121, and also I'll buy the 129 to kind of hedge just myself. If IBM goes a lot higher, where it hits 130, or it gets a lot lower and goes beyond drops and goes beyond 121. That's where I'll buy. And that's basically you have other things like let's take a look at Zoom again. Zoom's still on a tear. That was up today, you know, with news that there's still new cases of coronavirus still coming up and coming. So with new cases, this is positive for Zoom. People are staying home. They're not going out. So yeah, that's and just looking at the SPY, it's sold off at the end. It's like I told you, you can easily tomorrow morning can easily be higher and a couple of percentage points higher in the SPY itself and the overall market. So today, if you bought puts, you did well. And with all the volatility in the markets, a lot of things just the um the volatility and the implied volatility have increased significantly in these option prices. The premium, there's a lot of premiums in these options. Like they can't. A lot of times when they move up, it takes a lot of energy to get it above where it needs to be. So implied volatility is that energy, and when it's elevated, even your puts are higher. Even when your puts are higher when the market is going up, and even when your calls have a little bit more price when the market is going down. So you need to like hedge when you're hedging yourself. You buy a little bit of calls, a little bit of puts, just so that you know what you won't be caught on one side over the other. So this is Miami Options wrapping this stock market recap for Monday. And enjoy yourself. See you guys tomorrow.